This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we need to put some edging in. So the idea is we have a 2 by 8 foot planter. We're gonna buy another 2 foot by 8 foot planter and put it on this side. Have a bench in the middle. So it's kind of like a keyhole style, just about. So here I gotta take these metal edgers and kind of install them along the floor and let it curve around this outer planter bed. So right now I'm going to quickly put those in, and then this entire area on the floor will be all covered with some type of pea gravel or stones. Behind these bushes are utility boxes and stuff like that, so probably shave that down a little bit. Another planter's box goes here, and then all stones all through here, which will carry through the rest of the planters with the trees. Alright, let's get this started. So this is what 4 cubic yards, 4 buckets of gravel looks like. So we have it all laid in. This will be the garden area. We'll have our garden beds over here. We'll have 2 garden beds, 2 2x8 garden beds will be sitting here. There'll be more some flowers for decorative, somewhere in here we'll have some kind of on the rock garden that we had rebuilt. So just to show you the hammock and lounging area. So we took the metal edger and we went from pretty much wall to wall to each side. So if it follows it around. And here you have our trees, our fruit trees, nectarine, plot. Here's our blueberries. Here's our peaches, pink, ruby red, grapefruit, limes, Meyer lemons. This is the utility area, and then here is the vegetable garden. And you see how we kind of made it curve around and ends on the other side. So this is what we're aiming for. So we have a lot more to go. So we're just doing some repairs on some of the lawn. We had some trees removed from the back. So using these metal edges was pretty easy. It's a little awkward at first, but as you can see, there's stakes that you put in here to hold it. I kind of used a half moon shovel to start my line, and then I use it to just bang it in with a soft mallet. So when it curves around here, going down to here. So that's the rock garden. There's not much more to do back here except plant some more plants and trees.